Now students, today we write and learn sound of E words according to phonic sound E, A. What is this? This is a pen. P, E and pen. P, pa, a, n, pen. What is this? 10. Which number? 10. T, ta, a, n, T-E-N, 10. Now what is this? This is a net. What is the spelling of net? According to phonic sound, N, na, N, E, T, net. Again repeat. P-E-N, pen. T-E-N, 10. N-E-T, net. Now next picture. What is this? This is a egg. E, A, G, G. G according to phonic sound, G. Egg. E, G, G, egg. What is this? This is a leg. L, la, egg. L, E, G, leg. Now what is this? This is a bell. B, E, L, L, bell. Again repeat. E, double G, egg. L, E, G, leg. B, E, L, L, bell. Now student, today we learn and write sound of E words. P-E-N, pen. T-E-N, 10. N-E-T, net. E-G-G, egg. L-E-G, leg. B-E-L-L, bell. Now student, today we learn and write sound of E words. Thank you.